হাইকোর্টত কি আবেদন জনালে ডক্টর ইলিয়াস হুসেন আনসারিয়ে বেছিকে শ্বেয়াৰ কৰি দিয়ক যাতে হাইকোর্টে দেখি পেলাই পদক্ষেপ ল'বলৈ বাধ্য হয়।
Completely different. It is a well-known fact. So this is a unanimous demand of whole state of Assam, more than 3 crore people. If there is any illegal immigrants or foreigners, must be put through due legal process. But in the name of foreigners, the arresting person who is possessing all documents, all the family members, parents, children are Indian citizens, but one person of a family become a foreigner. How is it possible? The Khairul Islam belong to Assam, Morigao district, is a government teacher. A government teacher, how can become a foreigner? Supreme Court knows very well. Second point is that this is my, as a legal mind, this is my demand to the Honorable Supreme Court as well as Central Government of India. Please close down this chapter by exercising the DNA test. We are living in a science and technological era. We are living in a ChatGPT era. So the DNA must be exercised to find out who is Indian citizen and who is a foreigner. If it matches 99.99% with the parents or children, obviously he is Indian citizen. If it doesn't match, it must be thrown out, either Rohingya or Bangladesh. It doesn't matter. This is demand of all the state of Assam, more than 3 crore people. And secondly, I would like to draw attention on Supreme Court as well as central government. So in the name of foreigners, they are arresting lots of the people since a couple of decades, as well, especially since a couple of days in the state of Assam, throwing out detention camp or deporting. These are all old person, male, female. They are possessing the whole document. Now at the moment, in the situation, the Assam is very pathetic. So that's why I'd like to draw attention. We'll conduct a DNA test to close down this chapter so that the people can enjoy the right to life with dignity. Article 21, Article 19, Article 14, which is given by the Constitution of India. As a legal mind, as a citizen of India and as a resident of the state of Assam, this is my demand that must conduct the DNA exercise to close down this problem in the state of Assam. Thank you very much.